website. You can buy instructions at BWTMTBrickworks.com. Press on buy instructions and see our catalog, and you will see our new Soundwave and Sound Blaster there. So this is a new cassette, data cassette, whatever you want to call him in the year 2019, data storage device that goes in the chest of our old school G1 Soundwave. So he is a black cassette rectangle that turns into a Jaguar. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to build this. So again, there's the cassette mode. So I'm going to show you the parts you're going to need, and then we're going to build it, and you can go build your own. All right, so these are the parts you will need just to build the midsection or the body of the robot. We're going to do it in sections just so it's easier for you guys. So pause the video here, get all the pieces that you need, and let's build Ravage's body. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, of course, is take these slope pieces, and we're just going to join them together with a 1x4 plate, and we're going to put another 1x1. So that's what we have so far. From here, we're going to take a Travis brick and put it on the end like so. We are then going to put on, well, a Technique brick with the hole in it. 1, 2, and 3. From here, we are going to take a black lightsaber blade and put it in like this to hold the whole body together. And then we're just going to gingerly stick that last Travis brick on the back. So this is what you have so far for Ravage's upper body. Okay. From here, we're going to take a dark gray with a clip, put one here and one on the back, and that will control your head and your tail. From here, well, let's see what we're going to do next. So let's build his shoulder blades. So you're going to have this grilled angled piece like this, and then you're going to have a cheese slope in black like this, make his shoulder blades, and then you are going to, what else are we going to have? Then we're going to have this flat 1x2 black tile. So there's basically the body, and now we're just going to build the head and tail. So for the tail, we've got this black piece with a handle, a smooth, small, sloped piece like that. You're going to put it on like this, and then you are going to put on a 1x2 smooth tile, and you're going to put it on the back like that. To make his head, fairly similar. I'm going to take a piece again with a handle, a smooth slope, put it like that. Another cheese slope to make his ears. Then I'm going to go with this black tooth piece and put it on here to make a mouth. And then you're going to take a 1x1 and put it behind the mouth. And you're going to get Ravage's Jaguar head. So this is the body. And we'll put it aside for now. So let's get the pieces we're going to need to make the hind. So this is what you'll need to build the set of hind legs, so 2 hind legs left and right. So take a quick pick here. If you have these parts, then let's go ahead. If not, stop the video here and go get them, and let's get to building. So what we're going to do for the hind legs, I'm going to build one, and then we'll quickly build the mirror image. So we're going to take one of these wing pieces. We're going to take the black jumper plate here. We are then going to take the black piece with the clip like this, and that's going to be your upper part of the leg. From here, then we're going to make the mid part of the leg. So we're going to have a dark gray with a little handle piece here, a dark gray cheese slope like so, and then a dark gray piece with a clip. So this is what you should have. And you're just going to snap it on here. Then we're going to make the paw or the foot. So again, you're going to have a black piece now with the handle, this black grill piece, put it on top, flip it around, and put a 1x2 on. So you're going to then take it flipped around, and you're going to snap it into this piece. And these are new, you can hear that click. Okay, and that's going to be one of your hind legs. And we're just going to quickly do the opposite, or the mirror image for the right leg. Okay, so there you have your 2 legs. So let's get those out of the way and let's build the front legs. Okay, so these are the pieces you will need for the front legs. You can get printed pieces if you want, but they're basically just the black round tiles. So more or less it's going to be pretty much the same, so I won't take too long to do these. You're going to take the wing piece, the clip piece, the round piece, decorated or not. Again, that's up to you if you want to decorate it. Looks kind of interesting, or you can put your Decepticon symbol there or whatever. You're going to then take a dark gray piece with the handle, put it on, cheese slope, dark gray, clip piece, dark gray. You're going to then take another handle piece in black, put it on like this, grill piece on the bottom, 1x2 on the top, and now you have one of the front legs. I'm just going to do the other side very quickly for you guys. Again, clip, round, gray with handle, gray with clip, cheese slope, black with handle, face down, very tight, 1x2, and a grill piece, and that makes your front paw and leg. Okay, so we have those. Let's get them out of the way and let's build the accessories. So this is what you're going to need to build the accessories or the side arms for his hips, and you can pause the video here if you need to go grab them. So very quickly, all we're going to do is take one of these rocket boosters, a gray piece with a clip. We're going to take one of these bull horns in dark gray again, like this. And we're going to take these minifigure heads in dark gray as well. And then you're just going to take one of your dark gray lightsaber hilts, or not hilts, blades, and slap it in the clip. And then we're just going to quickly do the reverse for the other side. Okay, so now we have our 2 weapons. So let's bring everything in and we'll put it all together. So we've got the body, we've got the front legs, we've got the back legs. Okay, so very simply, we are going to take the body, we're going to take the front legs and connect the circle or the tube of the wing onto the Travis brick here. Do the same on the other side. Okay. That's going to give us our front legs. Okay. We're going to do the same on the back. Take the tube and put it on the Travis brick. It's good clutch power on there. So there's that. And then the hind leg on the other side. You're going to put your weapons on now. On his hips and these jumper plates like this. Like this. And then you have our new and improved posable Ravage. That, of course, Jaguar mode, but you can, of course, transform into his rectangle mode, his tape mode, his cassette mode, his recorder mode, whatever you want to call him, so he can fit in the chest of our Soundwave model. So all you're going to do is line these wing pieces up so they're flush and flat like this. We're going to take each leg and kind of line it up like this. Okay, do the same on the other side. Get those pieces lined up. fold in his tail, fold in his head, and just line it up, square it up. There you have his cassette form, or his rectangle form, whatever you want to call it. So there it is. So this again will fit in our new SW02 or SB02 models with Sound Blaster and Soundwave. You can get those from our website. Click BWTMT Brickworks.com, click on the Buy Instructions brick, and you will get taken to our catalog to see those and other cool creations. But until then, you can build this cool little Ravage. So we're also hopefully going to be doing some reboots of some of our other cassettes. We're going to leave the Condor cassettes the same because they fit nicely and they look pretty good. So we may redo Rumble and Frenzy and some other ones to come. So stay tuned. Happy building, everyone, and take care.